All right, for the second mode that we are going to demonstrate for the RF facial device is the blue light massage mode. So we're going to turn it on. Oh, wrong button. Turn it on. And we're going to switch down to the warm massage, okay? The warm massage is done with a facial mask. So I'm going to do a vitamin mask. We're going to put the vitamin mask on her face. I'm going to hand it to her because remember, this is something she has to put on herself. And I am going to do a multivitamin mask so she can massage her face with it on. And this is to help penetrate the product, treat the skin. So you're going to apply the mask. Apply the mask all over, and remember, you always want to do the neck too. You never want to forget about the neck because the neck shows our aging like nobody's business. All right, so now it's all over, and she is going to rub it on right on top of it with the blue light on. So this is the massage mode. This helps reduce inflammation, it helps promote circulation, and it improves acne. It can also help with skin elasticity and firming. And we're going to want to do this for 2 minutes as well, so I am going to set the timer for 2 minutes, and we are off. And remember, this is it warming up for you?
Oh yeah, and it's vibrating.
Oh, good.
Feels good.
Let's go a little closer. So you just basically massage right on top of the mask that you've got, that you put on. A vitamin mask, a hydrating mask. You want to make it something creamy that has some slip and glide to it. You don't want to use this with a clay mask. A clay mask is not for this purpose, okay? So you want to do like a hydrating mask or creamy based mask, vitamin mask. And she's going to do that for another minute and 15. And don't forget the neck. But this is going to help that vitamin mask to penetrate even deeper into her pores, which is exactly what we want. And then, of course, it helps with tightening and firming. Got about 15 seconds left of this one. All right, so you just hold on to that for me, Steph, and I'm going to wipe that mask off of your face. And of course, if you're doing this at home, you could do it for 2 to 3 minutes with the machine, and then you could leave the mask on for another 10, which would be what I'd recommend. You know, that way you get full use of your mask and all the benefits it gives you. Because I never say wear a mask for 2-3 minutes. You want to wear a mask for like 10 or 15, you know? What's the point of wearing a mask? Okay. Now we're going to dry it. Because this is an electrical device machine, I don't want to have too much water on the face for the next treatment. And the next treatment is going to be, let me see the machines. The next treatment is going to be the Photon therapy one, the red light one. And this one's going to be done with a serum, okay? So take that back, and I am going to apply an age-defying serum on her face. And then, of course, she's going to rub it and massage it for about 2 to 3 minutes.
I was going to say, my skin already feels great.
Does it?
Yeah.
Feels smooth.
Right? Just feels like I can, my every little cell is just breathing on its own.
Oh, good. All right, my dear. So go ahead and massage. And we're going to set the timer for that. We're going to do 3 minutes on this one. All right. And this one is the Photon Therapy Red Light Mode, and you're going to use it with a toner or a serum. And you're going to do this for anywhere up to 1 to 4 minutes. I always say start off a little light just to, get your skin used to these things. So we're going to do 3 minutes on this one. And this one helps to diminish wrinkles, helps your serum that I just put on to kind of penetrate more and penetrate deeper into the skin. Plus, we already kind of did the cleaning mode, and now we're doing the red light photon therapy mode. So this one's amazing. And now she's just going to massage the face, and of course, you always want to do upward strokes, right? Just same thing with when we apply our moisturizer and stuff. You always want to apply in an upward mode, never pull down on the skin, right? But this one helps to diminish wrinkles, helps with skin firming, helps product to penetrate, and that's why you use it with a toner or a serum. I don't know if I would recommend with a toner, but I would definitely do it with a serum, for sure. Serum is definitely the way you want to go. And I did it in this way, the cleaning mode first. Then we did the blue light massage because we did it with a mask, and then we rinsed the mask off, and then I did it with the serum because I want the serum to stay on the skin. Serum is something that we just leave on, you want it to just stay on your skin morning and night if you're using a serum, and of course we all should be using serums, right? And this was an anti-aging serum, so it had a little vitamin A, some vitamin C, some vitamin E, a bunch of good stuff in it. And she's just going to keep massaging. And is that one warming up as well for you? Good. Did it die on us? No, it just kicked off.
Well, now we got to edit that.
It's all right. You maybe touched it with your finger or something.
Oh, yeah. Blame the victim here. Blame the victim.
Definitely going to blame you for that.
Oh, man.
Let me fix your towel. Let's see if it's staying on for you.
It never does.
We've got about 30 seconds to go, 27 seconds. And remember, you never want to stay in one place too long. You want to keep it moving. Keep it moving all over the skin. And this is going to help with acne breakouts as well. All 3 modes help with the acne breakouts. The red light, the blue light, all of it works for it. All right. So the next one we're doing is the eye contour mode. And this one's going to be a little bit different. You are going to apply eye cream, eye serum around the eyes, and then you're going to, when you use this one, Steph, you're going to start here and press outward like this, okay? Okay. And same thing if you do the top a little bit, you're going to press outward. Okay. Start here, press outward. Just like you apply your eye cream, you want to do the same method to it. So I've applied some eye cream. And then we're gonna give it to me. We're going to change the mode down to eye care mode. And there's no light for the eye care. You can change it, it says, but I haven't quite figured out how to do that. And then it's pressure point massage when you do it. Feel it? You want to start as close to the corner of the eye as possible. There you go. Don't hurt yourself though. Don't poke yourself in the eye with it. And we're going to do this for 2 minutes. Actually, probably a minute and a half, since you've already been doing it for a minute. But the eye contour massage mode, you apply that eye cream, and then you're going to use those point massage techniques to really, help contour the eye where you're having the most problems. And it helps for fine lines and wrinkles. It helps that product to penetrate better. But of course, the massage just helps for wrinkles and fine lines, and that's essentially what we're using it for. But remember, you're not going to massage it or rub it. You're going to do point pressure massage on it, just like she's doing. Let me come up a little closer so you guys can kind of see. And this machine is meant to be used at home. It's meant to help you guys with your anti-aging needs and your acne needs. That blue light really helps with treating the acne, the one that she used during the facial mask. So it's amazing. It's an amazing product. I've been using it for a few weeks, and I wanted to share it with Stephanie, and she said she would be my guinea pig for the video. So glad to have her help. Let's see how much time she still has. Oh, 2 seconds or so. Ah, look at that. And now,
juice it.
and now, because of the way we used it, we did the cleansing first, the facial massage afterwards with the mask, and then we did the serum and the eye cream. She's ready to go. She doesn't have to rinse anything off, but we are going to throw on a moisturizer with SPF because it's the middle of the day, and you should never be leaving the house without SPF. So I just wanted to share with you guys this amazing little machine that I found, and I wanted to, and you guys can find a link for this at the bottom, but I wanted to be able to show you how to use it too. But this is something for you to use at home, and it will help you with your anti-aging and acne skincare needs and all that good stuff. So, all right guys, happy treating, and I will talk to you again soon.
Bye.